Today, we're focusing on how to gather all users with a certain email domain into a specific group. Let's dive in. First, head over to your Okta admin console. Once there, click on Directory, and then Groups. Now, see that Rules tab? Click on it and then hit Add Rule. We're creating a new rule to sort our users. Give your rule a name, something that makes sense to you. Next, we're going to set up a condition. Choose Use Okta Expression Language. Here's where it gets a bit technical, but don't worry, it's easy. You'll use this piece of code that is found in the description below. Just replace @specificdomain.com with the email domain you're focusing on. Now, in the Then Assign To section, pick the group where you want these users to go. This tells Okta where to put users who meet our condition. Before you finalize everything, use the Preview feature to check if the rule works as you expect. Hit Save to store your rule. Remember, new rules are inactive by default. So, go ahead and activate your rule. Now click on All and look for the group we made the rule for, and we can clearly see that users with the specific domain got assigned to the group. And that's it. You've just set up a group rule in Okta to automatically sort users based on their email domain. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.